So here we are. These are the tools you need. An 18 millimeter seems to be what's on the directions. A cutting knife, because you're going to need to cut on these. Or a rotary tool, which I'll be using. A tape measure to measure out exactly where the cuts are for here and under here. You can never not find a use for a rubber mallet. Probably won't have to use it. I like to keep a couple extensions. You can use a regular wrench or a socket impact gun, which I'm going to use on portions of it just to make my life easier. Otherwise, you can use either of these. I have my rollout kit obviously for everything, but I believe all we need is the 18, but just in case I have a full kit. And if you're going to use a cutting wheel, make sure you have these little guys for metal and plastic. I have a plastic one on here right now, and that's going to work real well on a version of a Dremel, rotary tool, whatever you want to call it. I also always work with a light. I know there's a lot of light in here, but once I get under the truck, you never know. All right, I'll keep you on the next one.